Here it goes.
Don't get that camera wet.
I'm not.
Are you recording it?
I'm trying to.
Just get that one that went. Oh my lord.
It's over the side now.
Mom, it's right here. It's by the house. That was thunder. What do you mean? Mom, look, thunder too.
That's what I thought.
Where the freak is Justin,
Justin, quiet. When the triangle at the...
Yeah. He's not even in the middle.
Oh, you missed that. The left.
Oh, I got it.
Was that louder? Was that louder?
Did you do a wide angle? Or did you zoom in? Answer the question.
Hold on, I just put it on record.
God. You didn't get
Don't
that one?
do that, your hand's in the way.
Would you? Good thing we didn't drain the pool. Oh. What? Stop playing. I couldn't even see out that much through the...
Well, when the lightning hits, it picks it up.
No, the rain's just so heavy.
Oh, yeah.
That was crazy thunder.
Oh, it's right here.
Is it?
Yeah, it's okay.